Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI SEL, which is a diesel manual. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in pure white. To start off with, then you have your LED mid headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 19-inch Victoria style alloy wheels, really helping to complement the pure white exterior colour. You also have roof rails to help further expand your storage even more by adding a roof box or perhaps transporting bikes on a bike rack. Taking a look at the boot, you can find you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps your weekly shop. Taking a look at the rear seats, you were able to find the lounge cloth and micro fleece upholstery finished in Titan black. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle does have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. The driver's seat is a massage seat, allowing you to stay comfortable throughout, especially on those longer journeys. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 61,236 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your App Connect, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via a USB, allowing you to use Apple Maps or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And of course you have a navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. You also have front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you can see you've got a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats. Of course, you have your 12-volt socket, your USB and your aux port, allowing you to use your external media to connect to the vehicle and use your App Connect. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information, you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.